How to update payment method on YouTube TV. First thing first, you want to head over to any of the web browser and move into the site tvyoutube.com. Once you are in here, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Move into Settings. Inside Settings, at the left hand side of the screen, head over to Billing. At the very top it says YouTube TV. Simply click on Update right beside YouTube TV. In this page, you will see the subscription of Google One and YouTube Premium. If you have the subscription of YouTube TV, it will be visible in this page. In the YouTube TV, all you want to do is tap on Manage. Right here, you will see the option of Change Payment Method. Tap on it. Now click on this drop-down icon. Now you can choose the payment method. Also, you can add new payment method by clicking on Add Credit or Debit Card. Once you click on it, you have to enter all the detailed information about your card and then tap on Save. Once you click on Save, your payment method will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can update payment method on YouTube TV. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.